Now, let me explain how to restore your project in CapCut after an unexpected shutdown. It's crucial to know the steps to recover your work effectively, as you can see here. After an unexpected shutdown in CapCut, you can often recover your project. It all depends on whether your autosaves were saved. Let's first ensure that your autosave feature is working properly. Now, let's open CapCut again and launch the app to check for your project. Now let's check for your project continuation. If it's not there, don't worry. CapCut often saves drafts automatically, so let's look for those drafts carefully. Now, let's click on Add, and here's where your draft should appear. If it's not there, then it likely wasn't saved properly. So, what should we do next? Let's check if you are logged into your account. If you aren't, please try logging in now to ensure everything is set up correctly for your project recovery. Log into your account, and everything should appear right where you left it. Here's your video that you edited, so don't create a new one unnecessarily. Sometimes, after restarting the app, an old project may appear, so please wait a moment as you can see here for it to load. Wait about 5 minutes, and you can also try restarting your phone. If that doesn't work, let's explore other options together. Then, you should carefully check your phone's memory and ensure you haven't cleared the cache or data in CapCut, because it's very important to note that if you've cleared it, there's no way to recover it. Thank you all for listening. Wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.